Articulate the back frame toward the heel of the moldboard 15 to 18 degrees. Shift the drawbar circle and moldboard toward the piles, with the moldboard at a 30 to 40 degree blade angle. Keep the front wheels on a smooth surface and cut out a windrow the machine can handle, and spread it over the road surface. You may need to work material in both directions so that material is not moved beyond the intended limit. Keep the differential locked to prevent tire spin. Contact your local cat dealer for more information.